everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how we can change app icons on iOS 18. With the latest release of iOS 18, Apple has introduced a range of customization options that allows users to personalize their home screen like never before. So if you want to change and customize your app icons, then make sure to follow the steps till the end of the video. Simply go ahead and press on an empty area and wait until the icon starts to jiggle as shown on the screen. Now you will be able to see an edit button popping up at the very top left corner. Tap on edit and then in the pop-up click on customize. From the customize menu, you can choose between light, dark, automatic and tinted modes for your icon. If you select tinted, you can choose a custom color for your app by dragging the little sliders at the bottom of the screen. The tint color will be applied based on your prominent color from your wallpaper. You can also pick a color by tapping on the color picker icon at the top right in the pop-up. Choose the color from your screen and it will be applied to your icons as well. After you are done customizing your icons, you can now get back, and that is how you will be able to change your app icons on iOS 18. You can also increase or decrease the size of your icons as well. Get back to the same customize menu and tap on large, which will then show you a little larger icons on your app drawer. Select the icon according to your preferences using the buttons available at the bottom inside the customization menu, and that is how you can easily change your app icons and its sizes on iOS 18. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.